In this video I am going to tell guys, can you install APK files from iPhone or is it fake? Let's see then. First you need to open Safari browser and in search bar, you have to type APK Pure. Once you are in that website you have to search any file or app that you want to download. For instance, I want to download Facebook Lite. So I will only download the APK file. Now move to Apple Store and type APK Downloader, and you will get this notification. If you have downloaded this app, it won't work because this feature is only allowed in jailbreak version, and many YouTubers are making you fool dude. All video are fake and useless.